The last time we got this combination of signals, Bitcoin pumped a casual 180%. You do not want to miss out on Bitcoin's next move as we continue to accumulate within the Bitcoin bounce zone. Guys, I'm going to show you some evidence today showing why we are so bullish and are not worried about this current move with Bitcoin's recent drop. This drop is a fantastic buy opportunity. Let me explain why. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and as of today, we had 201 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades over the last 16 months. We had a great time with you yesterday in our Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout. Thank you for joining us for that. And as a heads up, there is a brand new future forecast out. June 28th, 2024, why buying now could turn you into a millionaire later this year. Who doesn't love making money in a bull market and timing the top? But let's be real, none of that is possible if you don't get the timing right at the bottom. Today's data will show you exactly where we stand in this crucial timing and what to expect next. Get ready because I believe we still have plenty of fuel left in the crypto tank. Do not miss this future forecast, guys. If you want to be millionaires by the end of the next year, and it's a very strong possibility if you time the market right, you're going to want to watch that video. We're going to get started right in the analysis today. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the one-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Earlier this week, we posted what's called a strong buy signal. Now, those of you that have been following for a while will know that we also have buy, sell, and strong sell signals, but I've taken those away because I want to highlight the importance of the strong buy. At the same time, we see price versus while money flow is low, trades in favor is low with an 87% chance of a pump. And I'm going to highlight a little bit more about this indicator later, so stay tuned for that. And right now, I'm going to take you down to the bottom of the previous bear market. On August 20th, 2023, we got a strong buy, we got price versus while money flow low, and we got trades in favor low. And what followed from there was a massive 180% move up to the top. Now, I'm going to clarify right now, I do not think Bitcoin is about to make another 180% move. That would be absolutely crazy, but I do want to highlight how important it is when we get strong buy signals. Now, what I'm going to do here is load up the rest of the strong buy signals that posted from the beginning of this last bear market. What you're going to notice is a whole bunch of massive moves. I'm talking as much as 51%. We scroll back here, we get a few smaller ones. We get 6%, we get 30%, we get 20%. Up here, another 5%. That's the minimum 5% with an average of closer to 20% moves from each of these strong buy signals. And this is why you do not want to miss out if you see them post. Another consistent factor for the large moves up is that we had whale money moving into the market, bringing the price of Bitcoin upwards. We also saw trades in favor low to create that bullish trifecta. It happened again right here. We got a little 6% move up, but a much lower move down on the price versus while money flow, showing that whales had significantly oversold, with a bottoming out on the trades in favor, saw the 20% move up. Over here, strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, 51% move up. Guys, this is an important point in Bitcoin's history, and you need to be paying attention because if you're not, you may very well miss out on some very, very large moves up. The next point that I want to highlight is the relationship between Bitcoin and when trades in favor posts a low signal in the long trade zone. This has happened 7 times recently since the beginning of 2024, with the 8th time posting this week. Let's load up these price movements. From the first one, we see a 34% move up. The second one saw a 42% move up. The third one over here, not quite as large, about 11%. The fourth one was a 10% move up. The fifth one was a 9.7% move up, then a 23% move up, and lastly, another 7% move up. So you see now why we are so bullish. We have trades in favor low, which within smaller windows of time is going to see solid moves up, anywhere between 9 to, 40%? Let me load this back up. Yeah, 9 to 42%, anywhere in that range. And we have strong buy signals which are going to move the price up anywhere between 5 and 180%. This is why we rely on these indicators for every single one of our 201 wins and 0 losses for our membership trades. I do not want you guys to miss out on the next signals. So what I'm going to do here is actually teach you how to load up the trades in favor as an alert so that every time we move back into the long trade zone, even if we move up into the short trade, every time we move back into the long trade zone, you're going to get an alert so you can check the rest of the indicators for that full bullish trifecta. We're going to head to the alerts tab. We're going to set an alert, and we're going to switch Bitcoin USD here to the trades in favor. This time it's going to be a watch for pump. We're going to click once per bar close, and we're going to name it. I like to do Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump. Make sure your Bitcoin chart is set for the 1 day. This will make sure that the alerts themselves are set for the 1 day. Go ahead and click create. And now every time Bitcoin drops into the long trade zone and has a candle close in that area. Now, I want to make sure you guys have this information because very consistently we're seeing large moves up. And combine that with the strong buy and the price versus one money flow low, I think massive moves are coming. And this shows evidence that we're going to hit this descending resistance any time before we drop back down to this descending support on the massive bull flag pattern. And I think the next test of this resistance could actually result in the breakout that we've been looking for some time. In order for this to happen, though, we need to see the current accumulation period end with a breakout above this yellow descending resistance as well. Before anything can happen, we need to see that play out. And one of the ways we're watching for this to happen is paying close attention to the breakout detector. Most often when you get a drop into the breakout zone on the breakout detector, you're seeing very sharp moves, and it can be either direction. It's not bullish or bearish. We need to check the other indicators in order to see which direction it's likely to head. But based on the fact that the rest of the indicators are highly bullish right now, another drop into the breakout zone could very easily see a break above this yellow line. And based on the fact that we have such small movement in Bitcoin over the last week, I think we're going to be in the breakout zone very quickly. So watch for that as well. Now, from the current price, a move up to that descending resistance line is going to be about a 17% move up. Of course, we think Bitcoin is going to move up farther, and we're looking at about a month out. I'm not saying this is going to happen tomorrow, but as Bitcoin tests this resistance, there's a strong chance after that 17% move up that we're going to break and see even larger moves up through the rest of this year. Overall, we are highly bullish on Bitcoin, and I want to make sure you guys have this loaded up on your chart with your alerts set so you can catch the next moves up in Bitcoin. And this could be a fantastic time to enter. With that said, our members are going to get access for up to $550 off with the indicator coupon codes included in the membership. In fact, it's much cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Members, be sure to watch the future forecast episodes. Don't miss out on the next trade setups. Always be checking out the metrics across 40 coins on our website. Take a look at the Morning Brew overview every weekday morning, and we can't wait to see you in the next Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Full access for $65 a month is what you're looking for. Go ahead and click subscribe now. Follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, head to the second link for the indicator page. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. And once you have that, click Pro Indicator Pack, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for today's future forecast video. Don't miss out.